Good morning, students. Today in real numbers we are going to learn about logarithms. Let us suppose a and n are positive integers, or you can take positive real numbers. X is any real number. That means x may be positive or negative. But a and n are positive real numbers. X is any real number. X may be positive or negative. The relation between these three numbers is a to the power x is equal to n. This is the relation between three numbers. Where a and n are positive real numbers, x is any real number. It may be positive or negative. The relation between three numbers is a to the power x is equal to n. Then this x is known as logarithm of n to the base a. This x is called logarithm of n to the base a. It is written as we have to write like this. X is called logarithm of n to the base a. This n should not go up. This a should not come down. It should be like this only. This x is called logarithm of n to the base a. So a and n are any two positive real numbers. X is any real number. It may be positive or negative. The relation between three numbers is a to the power x is equal to n. This is the relation between three numbers. Then this x is called logarithm of n to the base a, and is written as x is equal to log n to the base a. We will read it as log n to the base a. For example, 2 to the power 3 is 8. The relation between three numbers 2, 3, 8 is 2 cube is equal to 8. If you apply logarithm, 3 comes here, 8 goes there. That is the relation. When you apply logarithm, 3 is coming here, 8 is going there. So we can write like this. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. 3 comes here, 8 goes there after applying logarithm. So if the three numbers are written like this, this is called exponential form. If the numbers are written like this, this is called logarithmic form. Let us take another example. 3 cube is equal to 27. This is exponential form. When you apply logarithm, 3 comes here, 27 goes there. Let us apply logarithm. Log 27 to the base 3. 3 is coming here, 27 is going there. So log 27 to the base 3 is equal to 3. This is called exponential form. This is called logarithmic form. 4 cube is equal to 64. When you apply logarithm, 3 comes here, 64 goes there. So it will become log 64 to the base 4 is equal to 3. 3 is coming here, 64 is going there. So it is log 64 to the base 4 is equal to 3. This is called the logarithmic form. This is known as exponential form. So the definition is a and n are any two positive real numbers. X is any real number. It may be positive or negative. The relation between three numbers is a to the power x is equal to n. This is the relation between them. Now this x is known as logarithm of n to the base a. X is equal to logarithm of n to the base a. For example, 2 cube is 8. This is called exponential form. When you apply logarithm, 3 comes here, 8 goes there. So it is log 8 to the base 2. This is known as 3. This is called logarithmic form. 3 is coming here, 8 is going there. So here you see 3 cube is equal to 27. When you apply logarithm, 3 is coming here, 27 will move that side. So log 27 to the base 3 is 3. 4 cube is equal to 64. When you apply logarithm, log 64 to the base 4 is equal to 3. Next, 10 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means 0.1. 10 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 10, that is 0.1. When you apply logarithm, minus 1 comes here, 0.1 goes there. So it is log 0.1 to the base 10 is minus 1. This is logarithmic form. Let us learn some important formula in this. First one, logarithm of AB to the base x is equal to log A to the base x plus log B to the base x. Log A into B is equal to what we should write? Log A plus log B. When base is same in all the three logarithms, there is no need of reading the base. You can read like this: log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. For example, if log 2 into 3 is there, then we should write it as log 2 plus log 3. Log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Now the second one, log A by B, base is x. Log A by B is equal to, formula is log A minus log B. Log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. For example, log 2 by 3 is equal to, we should write it as log 2 minus log 3. If into is there, it will become plus. If division is there, it will become minus. So log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. So log 2 by 3 is equal to log 2 minus log 3. Next, third formula is log A to the power n base x. If the number has power, then it will become coefficient. It will become n into log A base x. In logarithms, if a number has power, it comes as a coefficient. So if this n comes here, it will become n into log A base x. For example, log 2 cube base is 5. If the number has power, then it comes as a coefficient. It will become 3 into log 2 base 5. This 3 comes here. That is the rule. Log A to the power n is equal to n into log A base x. Next, if the base has power, if the number has power, it is coming as coefficient. If the base has power, then it comes as 1 by n. If the number has power, it is coming as a coefficient n into log A base x. If the base has power n, then it comes as 1 by n into log A base x. For example, log base is 5 cube. If the base has power, it comes as 1 by 3 into log 2 base 5. Now, next one is logarithms are defined for only positive numbers. Logarithms are defined for only positive numbers. That is the next important rule. Next, sixth one is logarithm of 0, that is log 0 is not defined. So first rule is log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Second rule is log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Third rule is log a to the power n is equal to n comes as a coefficient n into log a base x. Fourth rule is log a base is x to the power n. If the base has power, it comes as 1 by n into log a base x. Next, logarithms are defined only for positive numbers. Next, logarithm of 0 is not defined. Right, next one. We know that a to the power 1 means a. We know this rule. If the power 1 is there, no need of mentioning that power. A to the power 1 means it is a only. Apply logarithm when you, this is called exponential form. If you apply logarithm, 1 comes here, a goes there. So it will become log a to the base a is equal to 1. A to the power 1 is 1, a to the power 1 is a. When you apply logarithm, a comes here, 1 goes there. So it is log a to the base a is equal to 1. That means logarithm of a number itself as the base is always 1. For example, log 3 base 3 is 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. Log 7 base 7 is 1. Logarithm of a number itself as the base is always 1. So log 10 base 10 is 1. Log 7 base 7 is 1. Like that, logarithm of a number itself as the base log a base a is always 1. Next, we know this anything to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Therefore, a to the power 0 is also 1. This is exponential form. If you apply logarithm, 0 comes here, 1 goes there. So it will become log 1 to the base a is 0. That means logarithm of 1 to any base, whatever the base may be, is 0. Logarithm of 1 base, whatever it may be, logarithm of 1 is always 0. So logarithm of 1 to any base is always 0. Next, ninth one is in logarithms, if the base is not mentioned, it is considered as 10. For example, logarithm of 7. Here base is not mentioned. If the base is not mentioned, it is considered as 10. So if base is not written, we have to take it as 10 only. That means if base 10 is there, no need of mentioning the base, you can remove that. So if the base is not mentioned, it is known as 10. Now the last one, n to the power log x base n. If these two numbers are same, this is n to the power log x base n. If these two numbers are same, then the answer is x. This is very important formula. N to the power log x base n is x. If the two numbers are same, then this x is the answer. So these are some important formulae which we are going to use in this exercise. So first one is log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Second one is log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Third one is log a to the power n means n into log a. Fourth one is logarithms are defined only for positive numbers. Next, logarithm of 0 is not defined. Next, logarithm of a number itself as the base. This is always 1. Logarithm of 1, whatever the base may be, is always 0. In logarithms, if base is not mentioned, we have to consider it as 10. Now, n to the power log x base n. If two numbers are same, then the answer is x. Write exercise 1.5. First question. Write the following in logarithmic form. Write the following in logarithmic form. First one, 3 cube is equal to 3 to the power 5 is equal to 243. This is known as exponential form. If you apply logarithm, 5 comes here, 243 goes there. So you can write like this: log 243 to the base 3 is 5. This is exponential form. When you apply logarithm, 5 is coming here, 243 is going there. So it is log 243 to the base 3 is equal to 5. Second one, 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024. 2 to the power 10 means 2 if you multiply 10 times, it is 1024. This is exponential form. Now apply logarithm. Log 10 comes here, this 1024 will go there. Log 1024 base 2 is 10. Next, third one. 10 to the power 4 is equal to 10,000. Now apply logarithm. 10,000 comes here, 4 goes there. Logarithm of 10,000 is equal to base 10 is equal to 4. Right, fourth one, 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to 0.001. 0.0001. Now apply logarithm. Minus 4 comes here. This 0.0001 will go there. So it is log 0.0001 base 10 is minus 4. Next, fifth one, 3 to the power minus 2 is 1 by 9. Now apply logarithm. Logarithm of 1 by 9 to the base 3 is equal minus 2 comes here, minus 2. Sixth one, 6 to the power 0 is 1. Apply logarithm, 0 comes here, 1 goes there. So logarithm of 1 to the base 6 is 0. Logarithm of 1, whatever base may be, answer is always 0. So this is the first problem in exercise 1.5. In the next class we will continue.